Hello everyone, my name is Mavey, and today I'll show you how to cook rice. These are the equipments and ingredients used to cook rice. First, we have a rice cooker. Next, we have 5 cups of rice. Then we have water, we have a colander, and we have a dry, clean towel. First, we open the rice cooker and get the rice pot. Next, we pour the rice into the rice pot. After we put the rice in the rice pot, we are going to be using water to wash the rice 2 to 3 times. And we are going to be draining the cloudy water using the colander. Next, after washing 5 cups of rice, we are going to be pouring water on the level of 5 indicated on the rice pot. Next, after, we are going to be leveling the rice so that the rice and the water can cook together. After leveling the rice, we are going to be cleaning the outside of the rice pot using a dry clean towel. Next, after cleaning, we are going to be putting the rice pot inside the rice cooker, close the lid, and press start for it to cook.
A few moments later.
Now, the rice is now finally cooked. So now we can open it and enjoy the rice. Thank you everyone for listening. Bye!